how to copy, duplicate, and rename, also group the layers on Photoshop. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what we are going to do is we are going to rename a layer. So you are going to double press on a layer, and then you can rename it whatever you want, and then click enter, and it will rename. Now let's say I am adding another layer. So making a group of this layer, I have to select these two layers by pressing on Control, select the first layer, and then select the second layer, and then I can group these two layers by group of from layer. I'm going to group, and I'm going to call it group 1, and it can be grouped. The third thing is how to copy a layer. So for copying a layer, I'm going to press on Control C and then also Control V at the same time. It will make a copy of the layer. And the third thing is how to duplicate. So select the layer, click on it, right click on it, and then go to duplicate layer. So it can duplicate the layer on the same destination or any other destination or any other document that is currently opened on your desktop. This is how you can duplicate, copy, and also group the layers on Photoshop. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.